take a look at the biggest news stories from across the country. First up, Delhi is on high alert ahead of August 15th. Security arrangements across the capital have been tightened amid concerns over possible terror threats. Delhi police has put up posters of 19 most wanted terrorists at major locations, markets, and public areas. The posters feature suspects linked to groups including Indian Mujahideen, Al-Qaeda, and various Khalistani terror organizations. Additional police forces have been deployed around Lal Killa, Daryaganj, and Jama Masjid, with intensive surveillance across the city. Police have also urged citizens to immediately report any suspicious person or object by calling 112. Meanwhile, a patriotic message was delivered in Nai Delhi during the Har Ghar Tiranga program. Uprashtrapati C.P. Radhakrishnan spoke about the importance of respecting the national flag and said the tricolor fills every Indian with a sense of patriotism. Kendriya Sanskriti Mantri Gajendra Singh Shekhawat and G. Kishan Reddy, among other dignitaries, were also present. The Vice President also highlighted the significance of 153 years of Vande Mataram, saying efforts are being made to take its message across the country. Moving on, Prime Minister Narendra Modi unveiled the biography of former President Ramnath Kovind at Vigyan Bhavan in Nai Delhi. Titled Triumph of the Indian Republic, My Life, My Struggles, the book looks at Kovind's journey, struggles and public service. During the event, PM Modi praised his humility and simplicity, saying that despite reaching one of the country's highest constitutional positions, Ramnath Kovind continued to maintain a grounded personality. The Prime Minister described his life and conduct as a matter of pride and inspiration for every Indian. In Jharkhand, the JPSC-JSSC examination controversy continues to keep the government under pressure. Students have been protesting for more than 2 weeks over alleged irregularities in recruitment examinations. The state government claims that around 98% of the students' demands have been accepted, including agreement to a CBI investigation. However, the protesters say several issues still need clarity and have continued their agitation. Students also attempted an assembly ghero, following which the administration moved to clear the protest site. So tension reportedly increased after police arrived at the location around midnight. The standoff between the government and protesting students remains unresolved. And finally, political confrontation continues in Parliament over the FCRA issue. The opposition is demanding that the matter be referred to a Joint Parliamentary Committee or JPC for further examination. Meanwhile, TMC MP Kirti Azad questioned the absence of Grih Mantri Amit Shah from Parliament while raising the issue of alleged police action during the students' protest at Jantar Mantar. Azad questioned why the Home Minister was not present to respond to allegations involving the use of nail-studded batons and pellet guns against protesters. He also took a political jibe, saying, "Earlier, the big man would not come, and now the younger man does not come.